Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to split your screen on Google Chrome. Now if you don't know how to split your screen on Google Chrome and use two tabs at the same time or use it in a single tab, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have your device connected with Wi-Fi on your laptop or PC. So after that, simply open Google Chrome, and from here you just need to select the account which you want to use while signing into your Chrome. And from here you may open the thing which you like. So I'll simply open YouTube for now, and I'll simply open ChatGPT, or I'll simply open the Canva. And if you want to merge this into a single tab and use it like a split screen, then simply right click on the option of the app which you want to split screen, and here you will see the option of new split view with the current tab. So tap on it, and in a simple way you'll be able to split the screen like this. So that's it. That's how you can split a screen on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.